Good day, good day, good day. Golden Grace here. Today we're going to be making a French apple cake. Yes, a French apple cake. All right, and follow me here. I'll put all the measurements in the description. So we start off with a cup of sifted flour. All the measurements will be in the description. Unbelievable. Baking powder. Baking powder. Sugar. I use brown sugar. 2 eggs. I should have mixed it up. Woo. Should have put that together right before I put the eggs in. I have made this one many times before. This is hilarious. Oh, I have made this one many times before. My brother loves it. I love that loves this one. So I said, let me make him. Yeah. Should have put my dried ingredients together first and kind of move them around first, right? Alright, we'll be alright. Okay. Gotta have fun. Gotta have fun. There's enough sadness going on in this world. Gotta have fun. This recipe calls for milk. And it also calls for oil. Okay. Put that together. Move that around gingerly. This is a really quick recipe. I watched a woman do it. She said she would do it in the morning for her children before they would go to school. So, it's a quick recipe. Comes out really good. How was everybody today? I was life treating everyone today. So then we're going to put this in a spring pan after we mix this all together. Spring pan, I have my parchment paper in the bottom. Pan. Oven on. Ready. So the spring pan is a decent size. In the meantime, after we got that all in the spring pan, we hit it a few times, get some of those bubbles out. We have a large apple. I have a Honeycrisp apple. I peeled it. And I'm gonna put that all around in here. Peel the core, taking out all the seeds, cut up. Put that in. We're gonna set this in the oven. And I'll be back and tell you how the rest of it goes. Okay? Here we are. This is 20 minutes to 30 minutes into the baking process, and then I'm gonna put the icing on it now. There's the icing that goes on it, then it goes back into the oven. This icing consists of eggs, butter, sugar, and lemon rind. Pour it all over it. Then you stick it back into the oven and let it seep into the cake. It's a beautiful thing, especially with that lemon. It's lovely. Here we go. Okay. Come back when it's done.
All right, here we are. Our French apple cake is up. Isn't she beautiful? She's beautiful. We're gonna cut her and we're gonna taste her. Myself and my brother. Oh yeah, we are. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh yeah. These things come up to be beautiful things. So I got my Berkeley shirt on. Yeah, my nephew's getting ready to graduate from there. Yeah, my same brother's son. So I have to be proud and wear his shirt. Oh yeah. So I'm cutting this apple. Okay, remember this is French inspired. This is a French inspired cake. This is lovely. Here we go. That piece there. Yeah, we didn't wait for it to cool all the way. Because we were like, oh, can we try that now? Yeah, let's try that now. Remember, you have the parchment paper under there, so be careful how you cut. Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here I am. Let's try her. Oh, it's lovely. The apple, the lemon. It'll taste even nicer after it cools down a little bit more, and you could put some vanilla ice cream. Yeah, I tell you. Lovely. I think you should try to make this. I'm gonna put all of the information in the description. Lovely. I think this is one of my best ones yet. What do you say, brother?
Delicious.
One of my best ones yet.
Yep.
Oh yeah. It came up lovely. And that lemon glaze. Golden Grace. Signing off for now. Bon appetit. Love you all, my lovelies. Enjoy. Make this one.